Did you know that stuffing your chicken with spinach and feta can turn a regular meal into a powerhouse of nutrients? This simple recipe not only elevates the flavor, but also boosts your intake of vitamins and minerals essential for your health. Try this today. Take a boneless chicken breast and make a pocket for stuffing. You'll need just a handful of fresh spinach, crumbled feta cheese, and a dash of garlic powder. Sauté the spinach until wilted, then mix it with feta and a hint of garlic for an irresistible filling. Carefully fill that chicken pocket, ensuring it's packed with goodness. Season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of oregano for extra taste. Imagine a dish that not only looks stunning on your plate, but is also packed with protein and vitamins A and K. Bake at 375 degrees, 190 degrees, for about 25-30 minutes, and you'll have a juicy, flavorful meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. This dish is perfect for meal prep and can be paired with a side of quinoa or roasted vegetables for a complete and nutritious dinner. Would you try this? Share your thoughts and let us know your favorite healthy food hacks to keep the conversation going.